Hi, welcome back to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. Today we will learn how to highlight weekends in the list of dates. This is the third tutorial of this series. In this tutorial we will show you how to highlight dates with weekday names. So let's start. So this is a blank database where dates are given and the name of days are given. So we will highlight any day we require. Suppose equal to this cell equal to Sunday. Is equal to sun. Enter. We got false. And if we drag, we got false, and here Sunday true, Sunday true, Sunday true, but all are false. So we can use this formula to highlight the cells with the help of this column. So to highlight these dates, first select the range, then go to conditional formatting and new rule, select this option, then here type equal to this cell, make it a mixed reference and log the column equal to Sunday. Format will be red color. I am not giving any other formatting. Okay. So we can see every Sunday is formatted. But to format this cell, we are taking the help of this column. If we do not have this column, then how to highlight these cells? So we have to change the formula in the condition. Here we have to put equal to text bracket open this cell, then lock the column and unlock the row F4 two times. So column A is locked and row is unlocked, comma, within double inverted comma type DDD, then bracket close equal to sun, then OK, apply. You can see still we have the formatting. If we delete this, we can see the formatting is still here because we do not took the help of this column. If we want both Saturday and Sunday, then you have to change the condition again. Go to manage rule, edit, here select this and copy, then place here or function, and then here comma Saturday. Sorry, paste the formula again, and instead of Sunday you have to put Saturday. Bracket close for or, OK, apply. We can see here now Saturday and Sunday is highlighted. If I want to highlight Friday, then again edit. As we are taking one day as weekend, Friday, so we don't need two conditions. So delete the or and delete this part, and instead of Sunday type Friday, then OK, apply. Now you can see the Friday is highlighted. OK, here type equal to text this date comma within DDD, bracket close, enter. So you can see this is Friday. So Friday is highlighted. So in this way we can highlight the dates in a column. So let's check with the attendance sheet. Here we can see that Sunday is highlighted. So if we change the month, it is automatically changing the column, but still Sunday is highlighted. So first delete this condition and we will create now. So select the range, then go to manage rule, new, select this option and type here equal to this cell. Now here you have to log the row, not the column. So we have logged the row equal to Sunday. Then formatting, we took red color and border with white color. Okay. Now apply. We can see here the Sunday is highlighted. As we learned before, if we want to highlight Saturday too, then edit the rule, select this and copy it, then add OR function, then here comma, then paste the function and instead of Sunday type Saturday. Okay, apply. And if you want to highlight Friday as weekend, then go to edit rule and type here Friday and delete this option, this formula, and okay, apply. Now Friday is highlighted. But in this formula we took the help of this row. But if we don't have this row, we have to only format the columns with the dates. So in that case we have to type equal to text bracket open this cell, log the row and unlock the column, comma, within double quotation DDD, quotation close, bracket close, equal to Saturday. Then you can see only Saturday will be highlighted. See. But if we want to add both Saturday and Sunday, then you can copy this, give here OR function again, and at the end comma and paste the formula and type here Sunday, then close the bracket, okay, and apply. Now we can see Saturday and Sunday is highlighted. There is another option with the help of which you can highlight Saturday and Sunday. Let's delete this function. Conditional formatting, new rule, select this option. Here type equal to left bracket open this cell, comma 1 bracket close equal to S. Sorry, this should be within double quotation. Format with white border and fill red. Okay, okay. Now you can see Saturday begins with S and Sunday begins with S. So these columns are highlighted. In this way, you can highlight weekdays with the help of weekday names. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to format the weekend dynamically. Like this way, you can see here Sunday and Saturday are highlighted. If I want weekday, that is Friday and Saturday as weekend, and we will not change the conditions, go to settings, just type here Friday and Saturday. We can see Friday and Saturday are highlighted. If we want only Sunday to be highlighted or Friday to be highlighted, go to setting, type here Friday, keep only Friday in this list, and Friday is highlighted. If I want to highlight the Saturday, keep only Saturday, then Saturday will be highlighted. So how to do this? I will show you this in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching the video. If you got any problem regarding this tutorial, you can comment me in the comment section. I will surely answer you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to support us. Thanks again. See you in the next tutorial.